Many people experience constipation from time to time and it can be uncomfortable. In general occasion, constipation occurs when a waste moves through your digestive system too slowly. It can build up and become hard and dry, making stool difficult to pass. Constipation is usually defined as having fewer than 3 bowel movements per week. Even if you're going to bathroom somewhat regularly, trouble passing your stool may be another sign of this condition. What are the symptoms of constipation? Infrequent bowel movements, hard or lumpy stools, straining to have bowel movement, feeling blocked up or like you have fully emptied your bowl, needing help to empty your rectum such as your hands or fingers. Now let us see 3 important juices that are going to help you with your constipation. The first one is prune juice. Prune juice is most popular juice to relieve constipation. Each 8 ounces of glass contains about 2.6 grams of fiber, that is about 10% of your daily requirement. While the fiber that may bulk up your stool, the sorbitol in the prune juice helps to soften them, making them easier to pass. Prune juice is also a good source of vitamin C and iron. Eating dried plums or prune is another way to ward off your constipation. The second important juice I'm going to talk about today is apple. Apple juice may provide you with very gentle laxative effect. It is often recommended for children who have constipation because it is relatively high ratio of fructose to glucose and sorbitol content. This is the reason why it may also cause intestinal discomfort in large doses. Another important juice that I'm going to talk about today is pear juice. It's a great option which contains 4 times more sorbitol than your apple juice. This juice is often recommended for children who have lots of constipation. Pear juice isn't as rich as vitamins as prune juice, but many kids like it because of its flavor. After knowing which juices are helpful for constipation, let us see what is the dosage of this juice. If you decide to try drinking juice to relieve your constipation, keep in mind that a small amount of juice may be all you need. For the best results, the Cleveland Clinic recommends adults drink just a half or full cup of juice once per day, preferably in the morning, empty stomach. Now it's up to you to make this juice at home or to use the store-bought juice that's available in the market. To make this juice at home, just take one of the fruit and blend it with water and drink it. That is, you have to drink half cup of juice every morning to relieve your constipation, and this may need up to 3 days to completely clear off your constipation. Let us see what is the potential side effect of this juice. Speak to your doctor if you have constipation but have concerns about drinking the juice. If you have condition that requires to follow a restricted diet, juice may not be a good option for you. For example, if you have diabetes, your doctor or dietitian might advise you to avoid beverages that contain sugar, including juices. Now let us see, along with consuming the juice, what else you can do to relieve your constipation. Trying getting more exercise like walking most days of the week, eating plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables to ensure to get enough fiber. Don't hold your bowel movement. If you feel the urge to go, head to the bathroom as soon as you can go. Sparkle few teaspoons of unprocessed wheat bran on your cereal. This might relieve your constipation. Monitor your bowel movement to see if the juices are helping. Even if you don't notice a difference, it's best not to increase your intake. Drinking more juice could lead to diarrhea and other types of abdominal discomfort. If you notice a sudden change in your bowel movement, it's a good idea to see a doctor for a checkup, especially if changes going on and discomfort is troubling you.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.